What's up guys, in today's tutorial we are creating this. Okay guys, these are the images that I use for that particular work. So I'll make sure I'll leave all the images, their link in the description box for you guys. Make sure you go there and download it, and all the fonts too as well. So guys, without wasting my time, let's quickly turn off the visibility of the main work. Let's scroll down to the first layer. So as you can see, I have my blank space right over here. What I did next was to create a color field or solid color to it. So to create a solid color, what you have to do is go to the adjustment panel, select solid color and pick yellow. When you are done, just click on OK and you are good to go. The next thing that I did was to import this particular image right here. So after importing the image, as you can see, I created on the vector mask to create a vector mask for that particular image, and I picked the brush to erase certain parts that I don't like in that particular. So when I was done, I imported this another image like this one right over here on top. So that is it. That what I did was to create a new layer. After creating the new layer, I picked the brush tool and I changed the color to white, and I start painting around this particular area. So when I was done, after that I imported my main product, which is the oil. After that I created a new layer and created a shadow around at the bottom of the image. So after the shadow, what I created next was to import the sunflower image right over here and position them in the corner. So make sure you duplicate them 3 times, and to duplicate an image is Ctrl J. So you duplicate them 3 times and position them how you like. After that I went to my shapes and I picked a particular arrow and I position them right over here. Okay, so after my arrow, what I did next was to bring this text right here. Type this text right over here. So after typing the text, what I did next was to type the brand right over here. I added some effects to it, which is stroke and gradient. So the stroke is, I set the stroke to 10, the opacity is at 100, and the gradient I chose the yellow white color. Everything is at its original state. So after that, what I did next was to create a shape right over here. So I created the shape and I duplicated 3 times, and I drew another shape with the pen tool and I duplicated it 2 times. So somebody may ask, what is the shapes for? So the shape is for the sunflower oil right over here. So I typed sunflower and I added these shapes, which will make the text look amazing. So after that I added organic. I typed organic and I added some effects to it. So I added the previous effect from the brand and to the same organic, and when I was done I typed 100% pure, as you can see right over here, and I added the same particular effects, which is the stroke and the gradient to it, and that is it for my design. So after everything that I created right over here, I went to the adjustment panel, select photo filter, I picked the color, I picked deep yellow right here so that it will blend everything nicely for me. So quickly let me activate that one and I'm good to go. So when I was done, make sure everything is good. I duplicate it right over here, and I'm also good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos, and make sure I get 500 likes in this particular video. Thank you guys again. See you in my next video. Bye bye.